Jumbo, everyone. This is Matt from Waves of Memories Travels here at Disney's Animal Kingdom at the Walt Disney World Resort. Here are some of the attractions that you can experience during your day at the park.
Now you might see an elephant throw dirt upon their backs. That's called a dust bath. It's going to protect their sensitive skin from the sun. Helps keep the insects away.
Well, that's it for today, everyone, at Disney's Animal Kingdom. If you're interested in booking a Disney vacation for yourself, please go to wavesofmemoriestravels.com. Or if you need any more info, just go to one of our social media websites. The links are below. And yeah, Kwaherini means go well, and we'll see you soon.